Today, we take you a look at the saw blade flash welding machine operation review. Here, you connect two live wires. The machine has 6 tap positions. Here, tap position is for wire saw blade welding, and the lower tap position is for the overjet. Make sure to cross sections of saw blade clear of dust. Place saw blade between two copper panels. Saw blade should be extended over copper panels for 5 to 6 mm and compressed tightly. This lecture hand and gently move control stick with right hand to make the light for flash. Use your control stick.
Ja,